In this video, you'll learn how to use PWM to make an LED fade smoothly in brightness. Let's explore how this program works. The forever block keeps everything running again and again without stopping. Inside it, the while block checks whether the variable PWM delay is less than or equal to 20. This picture shows that longer pulses make the light brighter, and shorter pulses make it dimmer. Next, the repeat block runs the same actions 30 times in a row. The digital right pin block controls pin PO, switching it on and off like a tiny light switch. The pause block uses the value of PWM delay to control how long the LED stays on or off. Then comes the if-else block, which changes how fast PWM delay increases. If PWM delay is below 10, it rises slowly. If it's higher, it speeds up. Altogether, these blocks make the LED blink with changing speed. Now, let's see the result in motion. By swapping these two values, you can make the LED increase brightness more gradually at the beginning. Try adjusting the values and watch how the light comes to life.